Hello guys! How to use such? Probably the word such came across at some point in your studies and you were wondering about the meaning of this word in the middle of that sentence. Let's talk about this today. Such is usually followed by a noun and can mean tão, like I've never seen such a beautiful view. Nunca havia visto uma vista tão linda. It can also be followed by an or and adjective and substantive. Why is everyone in such a hurry? Por que tá todo mundo com tanta pressa? He is such a bad driver. Ele é um motorista tão ruim. Note that such can intensify a characteristic, as in, he's such a nice friend. Ele é um amigo tão bom. It means that he's a great friend. Such is a word widely used in English conversation, and it's really cool to use it to intensify characteristics and give more emotion to what you're saying. Well guys, that's it. See you next video. Bye!